An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So in this question, it is asked there are two sets of people, two groups of people. So let us represent this 616 army members with this symbol and the 32 army band members as a circle. What this question says is we need to arrange these two groups in equal number of columns. Like for example, if we are dividing them into 3 columns, so the army band will be like this, columns of 3 people, and behind them the band people will be in columns of 3, then army people should be also in the column of 3 only. So in the same way, now I have made 3 columns, but what is the maximum number of columns which is possible? So then nobody is left out of the column, or one column is small compared to the other. So we need to separate these two groups into maximum possible number of columns. That is, we need to find a number, the biggest number that will divide both of them with a remainder 0. That means we need to find the HCF of these two numbers. Now we can find the HCF of these two numbers. I'm going to use prime factorization method. We have 616 dividing by 2, I get 3 and 0, and 16 by 2 is 8. Again dividing by 2, 2 1 is 2, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 8 by 2 is 4, again by 2, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 7 2s are 14. Now dividing by 7, I get 11, and 11 by 11 is 1. Now the same way I'm going to prime factorize 32. Dividing by 2, 16, 16 by 2 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4, and 4 by 2 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So 616 can be written as 2 cube into 7 into 11, and 32 can be written as 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for finding the HCF, we need to write the common prime factors first. The only common prime factor is 2, and we need to choose the smallest power. In this case, 5 and 3, the smallest power is 3, and 2 to the power 3 is 8. The answer to our question is 8. Both the army contingent and the army band should be divided into columns, 8 columns. There will be maximum possible number of columns is 8. If you have any doubts in this question, feel free to use the comment section for discussion. Thank you.